Hi guys, good evening, welcome back to my channel. It's Meeks here. How are you doing this evening? I hope you're all well. I hope you've had an amazing day so far. I know the UK is back in lockdown, but all I have to say is do what you can to keep sane. Try and keep active. And if you don't want to keep active and you just feel like relaxing, you feel like that's what you need to keep your health and mind in check, then just do that. Check in on your loved ones, tell them you love them, and hopefully we get out of this pandemic soon. But on a brighter note, today's video, I am going to be unboxing January's Glossybox, my first beauty box of 2021. I've actually never done a Glossybox unboxing on this channel, so I'm quite looking forward to open this up and seeing what's inside. I've heard so many good things about Glossybox. They've got an outstanding reputation, so I'm so pleased that they've sent me this and asked me to review their products. So just a little bit of information about Glossybox in case you're not familiar. A Glossybox is a beauty subscription service where every month you get 5 mystery products sent to your door, and every box is a minimum of £50. You can either subscribe for 12 months and pay £11.75 per month for a box, or you can do a 1-month rolling subscription where you will get the box for £13.25. So let's open this up and see what we have. Nicely presented. So here we have a card. It says The Power of Beauty. Just gives us some info about what's in the box and the sneak peek for next month. So it says, Happy New Year, Glossies. January is all about starting afresh, and what better to take inspiration from than the natural world around us. To start off 2021, we are focusing on the fresh and pure and bringing you a selection of powerful yet gentle products that your skin is going to adore. We shall see. So strip back your beauty routine and showcase your natural beauty within. Okay, and February sneak peek. It says, February is the month of love. If you're eager to pucker up for your Valentine, you're going to want super soft lips. And then they are sending us a rose sugar lip scrub next month. So that's next month's box. I do like a good lip scrub. I did used to do them in my nighttime routines, but I stay forgetting. But lip scrubs are good, especially this time of the year, because to exfoliate the lips. I need to get back in that habit. So, opening up the box. Let's see. And the first product we have is, these are daily reusable rounds from Daily Concepts. It's a pack of 2. And this is worth £6.80. And it says, did you know you can minimize your eco footprint while still staying on top of your much loved beauty regime? These natural and reusable makeup remover rounds are the perfect solution. These 2 pads are ideal for all face cleansing and makeup removal needs and ensure there is no longer any need for disposable wipes and cotton pads. I've never tried these before. I have heard of these. I'm a traditional. I know it's not the best for the environment, but I do just like to get my normal cotton wool and just wipe it off and chuck it in the bin. But I'll give these a try. I wonder if there's a limit on how much you can use them though. I can't imagine these lasting for ages. Is there like a minimum 5 uses and then you bin them? Like, how do you wash them? Simply, oh, okay, they are machine washable. It says you just simply wet the makeup remover pad with your makeup removing solution. Begin removing your makeup. Repeat as necessary until your makeup's completely removed. And it says they're machine washable for when it's time to clean and reuse. So they actually might be quite good. I didn't realise you could pop them in the machine. So that's actually quite good. Okay, next product. Oh, the next product is a good one. So here we have the Ecooking Moisturizing Serum. Perfect for all ages and skin types. This serum gives your skin a likely and much needed due to the cold weather moisture boost. By locking in your skin's natural moisture and providing an extra kick of hydration, this Ecooking serum helps to reduce the appearance of fine lines and wrinkles to ensure your skin looks youthful and radiant. So this is a Deluxe Mini, it says, and this is 10 ml. and this is worth £22.50. Wow. I do like the Ecooking range. It's very good for the environment, very natural. Goes with their theme this month perfectly. Vegan brand. I've tried a couple of their products. I've tried their vitamin C serum and I've tried their overnight foot cream, and both were so lovely. So I know that this will be a winner. Not sure if I'm going to keep this myself. Not anything to do with the brand. I know it's an amazing brand, but I've got so many moisturizing serums right now, so I may even just put that in a giveaway. But that is a good product. The next product, this is a Scent Luxe brow gel, and it says bow down to your brows. For a more natural look, a clear brow gel can trump a pencil or a powder. This gel glides on effortlessly, leaving your brows looking fuller and giving them the perfect shape that will stay put all day. The short brow brush will give you precise placement, whilst the lightweight gel ensures that there is no residue when dry. And this is, how many mils? Not sure. I think it's full size though, and it's £16. I was going to open this and give it a swatch to see if it would match the tone of my eyebrows, but it's clear, so it can be used. Anyone can use this. It's versatile. Not going to bother opening it because it is clear. But yep, that's the Scent Luxe brow gel. The next product. What is the next product? The next product, it says it's meant to be a rose gua, but I don't seem to have received it. I've been wanting a gua for so long. No, have I missed it? Oh my goodness. Okay, so the next product I think must have been an alternative, because it says I got 6 products here, and I got 6 products here, but I don't have that product. Instead of my rose gua that the booklet says I have a mud masky. What is this? A serum infused eye mask. I'm all for eye masks, but I wanted a gua for so long. So I think I kind of would have preferred the gua, but saying that, I know that Mud Masky is meant to be a good brand. I don't have any eye masks. I have lots of eye creams, but I don't have eye mask. And it says it reduces dark circles, which if you watch my channel, you know that I'm all for reducing the dark circles, puffy eyes, fine wrinkles, dry skin, and swelling. Not sure what this is worth, guys, because it's not on my booklet. But I'll see if I can pop that on the screen whilst I'm editing. It says, specially formulated for the thin and sensitive skin under your eyes, it contains a super high level of natural antioxidants, and it improves elasticity after 4 to 7 uses. And there's no asterisk. You know, companies, when they say these things, they put an asterisk as a sort of disclaimer. There's no asterisk, so it's actually saying that it will improve elasticity. And then it says, by improving elasticity, your skin looks visibly dark and less sunken. I'm not complaining about that. I really feel like I've got concealer on right now, but I've been feeling like my dark circles. I haven't been sleeping properly, so I've never tried an overnight mask. Oh, you leave it on for 8 minutes. I thought it was overnight. Anyway, I'll still give that a try and see how I get on. Just because it's not an eye cream, it's an eye mask. So I was thinking, when I first saw eye, I was like, oh, I'm probably going to put this in the giveaway because I've got so many. But an eye mask is something I haven't tried, so happy with that. The next product is an avocado infused sheet mask, and that is by Beauty Pro, and this is worth £4.95. And it says, intensely hydrating and nourishing to the skin, this avocado infused sheet mask will leave your complexion feeling softer and smoother than ever. Completely plant-based and with its enriching superfood ingredients sourced from New Zealand, this sheet mask also protects the skin from the elements and aids in reducing the appearance of fine lines and wrinkles. Love a sheet mask. I love getting sheet masks in my beauty boxes because these go so quickly. You can use them once, maybe twice, there's 2 in a pack, and then they're gone. And sheet masks, they're about £5 for a decent one, so I'm always happy to receive sheet masks, so happy with that. And then the last product, this is a hand sanitizer gel. Buy your sanitizer. Just what we need in the pandemic. Imagine this was in our beauty boxes when the pandemic first happened. Do you remember when you couldn't get hand sanitizer anywhere? This was like gold dust. And this is worth £2.72. And it says, your sanitizer is a hand sanitizer gel with 75% ethanol. It kills 99.999% of all germs whilst increasing your skin moisture by 34%. That's why Dermatest certified it as the #1 hand sanitizer for sensitive skin. It's also a handy size to keep in your bag whilst you're out and about. As it should be, because that's what hand sanitizer is for, you know? Be when you're out and about. Well, actually, if you work in like places like hospitals or beauty salons, you can have the big ones, so I take that back. But it is a nice handy size. As I said before, what can we say? It kills 99.999%. So, especially in this time we need, with this COVID going around, we definitely need a hand sanitizer gel. So, happy with that. And I know that Glossybox usually, they provide 5 products. So, this month we got 6. My first box and I got 6 products. Aren't I lucky? So, yeah, I'm really, really pleased with that. Thank you, Glossybox. Guys, let me know what you thought about this box. What did you think about the eye mask in terms of the Gloatia that I didn't receive? No, I'm really, really happy. The eye mask does sound good, so I'm going to give that a try and see if it improves. See if I get visible elasticity improvement within 4 to 7 uses. Thanks so much, guys. I hope you liked this video. If you did, please smash that like button as it helps me out a lot. Ring that notification bell, subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and I look forward to seeing you on my next video. Take care, guys. Bye.